Have you ever pondered the profound connection between coffee and creativity? Indeed, the relationship between the two is as rich and complex as the beverage itself. For centuries, coffee has been a stimulant for artists, a muse that sparks the mind and fuels inspiration. Picture the bustling cafes of Paris, the aroma of coffee wafting through the air, where impressionist painters, poets, and philosophers congregated. Or consider the modern-day writer, hunched over their laptop in a cozy coffee shop, the clatter of cups and the rhythmic hum of the espresso machine providing a comforting soundtrack to their creativity. Countless artists and creative individuals, from musicians to designers, from writers to performers, have been known to be ardent coffee lovers. They've found solace in its warmth, energy in its caffeine, and perhaps a certain kind of companionship in its presence. In particular, one story stands out that vividly illustrates this connection. Meet Honoré de Balzac, a 19th century French novelist and playwright. This man was not just an ordinary writer, his name is etched in the annals of literature. But there's one thing that's often overlooked: his extraordinary relationship with coffee. Balzac was a man of many passions, but above all, he had a profound love for coffee. His affection for the dark brew was so intense that he reportedly consumed up to 50 cups a day. Yes, you heard that right, 50 cups. But this was not just a simple addiction, it was in fact a source of inspiration. Balzac believed that coffee was more than just a beverage, it was a tool, a magical elixir that helped him unlock the doors of his creativity. He attributed the vividness of his characters, the depth of his plots, and the richness of his prose to this potent drink. Coffee, in Balzac's world, was a key player in his writing process, a silent partner in his literary endeavors. His fascination with coffee was so profound that he penned an essay, The Pleasures and Pains of Coffee. In this piece, he did not just praise the taste of coffee, but he extolled the effects of the beverage on his creative process. He wrote about how coffee stirred his imagination, how it helped him delve into the deepest recesses of his mind to extract the gems of his creative genius. He vividly described the transformative power of coffee, how each cup would fill him with an energy that would propel him into a world of creativity, where words would flow like a river and ideas would bloom like flowers in spring. Balzac's tale is not just about his love for coffee, it's about how he harnessed the power of this drink to fuel his creativity. His story is a testament to his passion for his craft, and his indomitable spirit to push the boundaries of his imagination. Indeed, Balzac's life is a testament to the power of coffee in driving creativity and artistic expression. His tale is a reminder that inspiration can come from the most unexpected places, even from a simple cup of coffee. Coffee and creativity, two seemingly disparate entities yet intricately entwined. In this journey, we've brewed connections and drawn inspiration from the humble coffee bean and its influence on creativity. We've traced the footsteps of great artists like Balzac, who harnessed the stimulating effects of coffee to fuel his literary genius. His story is but one of many in the tapestry of history, where coffee has been the silent companion of creators, innovators, and dreamers. While it's true that not everyone might experience the same level of inspiration from coffee, we can't deny its significant role in the creative process for many. Whether it's the simple act of brewing that sparks an idea, or the caffeine that provides the mental clarity to see it through, coffee has been a catalyst for creativity in myriad ways. So next time you sip your coffee, remember you are partaking in a ritual that has fueled creativity for centuries. Who knows, it might just stir up your next big idea.